Toyota Gazoo Racing has unveiled special editions of the GR Supra, GR 86, and GR Corolla for its 2024 lineup, with a highlight on the GR Supra 45th Anniversary Edition. This special edition GR Supra is a tribute to the custom Supra. Limited to 900 units for the US market, the car comes in two striking colors, Mikan Blast, a deep orange, and Absolute Zero, an icy shade of white. The car boasts an aggressive design, including a manually adjustable rear spoiler, matte black 19-inch wheels, black GR brake calipers, and a black Supra side graphic. Buyers have the option of choosing between an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission. The GR Supra 45th Anniversary Edition draws inspiration from the 1990s models and boasts a low-slung design complemented by a large, manually adjustable rear spoiler. This spoiler is not just for aesthetics, as it can be adjusted to influence the amount of downforce on the rear wheels. Additionally, the special edition features 19-inch matte black wheels, black GR brake calipers, and a black side graphic with the Supra logo. The car is built on the 3.0 premium grade and is powered by a B58 inline 6-cylinder 3-liter turbocharged engine producing 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. Expected to arrive at Toyota dealerships in fall 2023, the GR Supra 45th Anniversary Edition stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, performance, and paying tribute to its rich history. Pricing details for the special edition and the complete 2024 GR Supra lineup will be announced later. For enthusiasts, this limited edition model represents an opportunity to own a piece of Toyota's sports car heritage, blending nostalgia with modern performance and styling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.